Black holes. Black holes are some of the strangest and most fascinating objects in the outer space. They are objects of extreme density with strong gravitational attraction that even light cannot escape from their grasp if it comes near enough. Albert Einstein first predicted black holes in 1916, and the first black hole was discovered in 1971. There are three types of black holes: stellar black holes, intermediate black holes, and supermassive black holes. So how is a black hole created? A common type of black hole is produced by certain dying stars which are massive enough. So you might have this question in your mind: can our sun produce a black hole? The answer is no. A star with a mass greater than 20 times the mass of our sun may produce a black hole at the end of its life. So it means our sun cannot create a black hole. How a black hole is formed from dying stars? Stars on the main sequence burn by fusing hydrogen into helium. The length of time they spend on the main sequence depends upon how quickly the hydrogen gets used up. In the normal life of a star, there is a constant tug of war between gravity pulling in and pressure pushing out. Nuclear reactions in the core of the star produce enough energy and pressure to push outward. For most of a star's life, gravity and pressure balance each other exactly, and so the star is stable. When the core runs out of hydrogen, these stars fuse helium into carbon just like the sun. However, after the helium is gone, their mass is enough to fuse carbon into heavier elements such as oxygen, neon, silicon, magnesium, sulfur, and iron. Once the core has turned to iron, it can no longer burn more. The star collapses by its own gravity, and the iron core heats up. The core becomes so tightly packed. When a star runs out of hydrogen fuel, gravity gets the upper hand and the material in the core is compressed even further. The core heats to billions of degrees and explodes, which is called supernova, thereby releasing huge amounts of energy and material into space. The remains of the core can form a black hole. Stellar black holes are small in size but deadly. They consume dust and gas from the galaxy around them, growing in size. It is estimated that our galaxy Milky Way contains a few 100 million stellar black holes. Intermediate black holes are stuck in the middle in terms of size. Scientists once thought that black holes come in only small and large sizes. However, in 2014, astronomers found that what appeared to be an intermediate black hole in the arm of spiral galaxy. Small black holes populate the universe, but their cousins, supermassive black holes, dominate the universe. Such black holes lie at the center of pretty much every galaxy, including our own galaxy, the Milky Way. Supermassive black holes are the result of hundreds or thousands of tiny black holes which merge together. Black holes are incredibly massive and have extremely powerful gravitational force. We know that light is the fastest in this entire cosmos, which can travel at a speed of 3 lakh kilometers per second. However, virtually nothing can escape from the black holes. Even light at its traveling speed will be trapped by black holes. It is because of this reason black holes are black in color. Since they can't be seen directly through telescopes, scientists must rely on the radiation they emit in order to detect them. Black holes have 3 layers: the outer and inner event horizon and the singularity. The event horizon of a black hole is the boundary around the mouth of the black hole where light loses its ability to escape. Once a particle crosses the event horizon, it cannot leave. The inner region of a black hole where its mass lies is known as singularity, the single point in space-time where the mass of the black hole is concentrated. Following are some of the facts about black holes. If you fell into a black hole in this fashion, as your feet begins to get stretched by gravitational pull of the black hole, you will get increasingly attracted to the black hole towards the center of it. The closer you get, the faster you move. So you'll be stretched like a spaghetti. This process is called spaghettification. Our Milky Way galaxy has roughly around 100 billion stars. 1 out of every 1,000 stars tend to form a black hole when they die. Calculation based on this data gives us the estimated total of 100 million stellar black holes in our own galaxy alone. Black holes are quite fascinating and is an active research field right now in the field of science. Having said that, the amount of new information we have gained in this video would certainly be helpful to view our universe in the entirely different scientific perspective from now on. Just like black holes, there are quite a few other objects in this universe which are amazing as well. So which part of black hole have magnetized your interest? Which part you still need more information about? Do let us know in the comment section below and get answer to all your queries instantly, and don't forget to check out the link of the space article in the description box below. And as always, thanks for watching.